How to increase Snap score on Snapchat? Let's get started. You can apply these tips to increase Snap score on Snapchat. One of the most straightforward ways to increase your Snap score is by sending snaps to your friend regularly. Each snap you send or receive contributes to your score. Viewing and interacting with your friends' stories also adds to your Snap score. Watch their stories, react to them, and send them messages based on what they have posted. Having conversation with friends via chat messages also helps boost your Snap score. Keep the conversation going by sending texts, photos, or videos. Likewise, maintaining Snap streaks with friends can significantly increase your Snap score. Explore and use different features within Snapchat such as filters, lenses, and bitmojis. Sharing snaps with these features can make your interactions more engaging and increase your Snap score. Share interesting or funny content on your story to encourage more views and engagement from your friends. Adding new friends on Snapchat expands your network and increases the potential for more interactions, which can boost your Snap score over time. If you are comfortable, consider posting snaps on public stories or joining public groups and communities within Snapchat. This exposes your content to a wider audience, potentially leading to more views and interactions. Regular activity on Snapchat is key to increasing your Snap score consistently. Make it a habit to check the app, send snaps, and engage with your friends' content regularly. Well, you can apply these tips to increase Snap score on Snapchat. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.